The Vivo X100 Ultra exudes a premium aesthetic with a glass back featuring a smooth satin finish that feels exceptional in hand. The device boasts a sturdy aluminum frame with flat sides and a curved top and bottom, offering a solid grip. While the overall design is elegant, the curved screen edges on the left and right, meeting a 90-degree angle at the top and bottom, feel slightly outdated compared to the quad curved screens found on other flagship models. Nevertheless, the phone maintains a sleek and modern look. The X100 Ultra showcases a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display with a high 1440p resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen delivers exceptional contrast and sharpness, thanks to a pixel density of 517 ppi. It supports HDR10 Plus video and Dolby Vision, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the display boasts impressive brightness, reaching around 560 nits in manual mode and a peak of 1800 nits in auto mode under bright light. Powered by Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the X100 Ultra delivers flagship-level performance. The X100 Ultra boasts an impressive camera system, headlined by a 200-megapixel telephoto lens. This is complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a large sensor and a 50-megapixel main camera featuring gimbal stabilization. The camera system excels in various conditions. The 200-megapixel telephoto lens captures exceptional detail and produces impressive zoom shots, often surpassing the quality of dedicated 2x cameras. The ultra-wide camera performs well, delivering sharp images with good low-light performance. The main camera with gimbal stabilization produces steady videos and captures vibrant photos with accurate color reproduction. However, the phone's tendency to over-sharpen images in certain scenarios can be noticeable. The rear camera setup supports 8K video recording at 30 FPS, 4K at up to 120 FPS, and includes features like Gyro EIS and Dolby Vision HDR1. This device integrates AI capabilities to enhance photography and video. AI-driven features assist in scene recognition, portrait mode, and low-light photography. While the AI enhancements are generally effective, there's room for improvement in terms of depth detection in portrait mode and overall image processing. Equipped with a 5,500 milliampere battery, the X100 Ultra delivers solid battery life. In typical usage, the phone can comfortably last a full day. The included 80-watt fast charging technology enables rapid replenishment, bringing the battery to a full charge in a relatively short time. This is a compelling flagship smartphone with strengths in display quality, performance, and camera capabilities. Its impressive camera system, particularly the 200-megapixel telephoto lens, sets it apart from the competition. Overall, the X100 Ultra offers a premium experience and is a strong contender in the high-end smartphone market.